So in around 1 minute, I will show you how you can make this up easily, which is using one IK constraint. So let's get started and start a new file. You can add any object, but I will start from a cylinder, and after that scale on Z 8 times, and after that move in the Z8 also, and press Ctrl R and add few loops, maybe here 16. Then add an armature, single bone. Move this one in the Z1 direction or 1 unit and extrude Z2. Press Shift R to repeat this action a few times. And after that, go to the pose mode and select this bone and pose inverse kinematics and add on IK2 bone. If you go to the object mode easily, you can see that we can have an IK, and one simple step, select the cylinder or your object that you want to rig, and after that select the armature like that, and press Ctrl P with automatic weights. Now you can select the empty, and as you can see, we deform our object using one single IK, and we control our object with only this empty. If you want to download this file, check the link below or the description if you want to download this file for free. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.